Hey everyone, and welcome back to our English Shadowing Podcast, the place where you don't just learn English, you practice speaking it. Today's episode is all about something many of us experience sooner or later, your first day at work. New faces, new names, and those slightly awkward introductions. In this episode, you'll listen to a realistic workplace conversation between two colleagues. Your job is simple. Listen, pause, and repeat. Copy their rhythm, tone, and natural pauses. That's the magic of shadowing. It trains your mouth, your ears, and your confidence at the same time. So find a quiet space, take a deep breath, and get ready to speak along with us. Let's step into the office and start today's conversation. Hey, good morning.
Morning. You must be the new joiner, right?
Yes, that's me. First day nerves kicking in already.
Totally normal. I'm Peter from the marketing team.
Nice to meet you, Peter. I'm Jane. I just joined the operations team.
Welcome aboard, Jane. How was your commute today?
Not too bad, actually. A bit of traffic, but I made it on time.
That's a win for a first day.
I'll take it.
Have you had a chance to meet your manager yet?
Yes, briefly this morning. She seems really approachable.
That's great. A good manager makes a huge difference.
Definitely. She introduced me to the team, but I'm still learning names.
Don't worry, it takes everyone a week or two.
Good to know I'm not the only one.
Not at all. So where did you work before this?
I was with a logistics company for 3 years.
Oh, nice. So operations is right up your alley.
Exactly. I enjoy process improvement and planning.
That's useful here. We love organized people.
I hope I can live up to that.
What made you decide to join this company?
Honestly, the culture. Everyone seems supportive during interviews.
That's true. People here are pretty collaborative.
That's what I'm looking forward to the most.
You'll fit in well then.
I hope so. I'm still figuring out the coffee machine, though.
That thing confuses everyone at first.
Good. I thought it was just me pressing random buttons.
Give it a week and you'll be the office barista.
That's a promotion I didn't expect.
Have you been shown around the office yet?
Yes, I saw the meeting rooms and the break area.
Did you see the quiet room?
I did. That might become my favorite spot.
Same here when deadlines hit.
Speaking of deadlines, I'm curious about the workflow here.
It's busy but manageable. Teams communicate a lot.
That's reassuring. I like clear communication.
You'll get plenty of that here.
Great.
Looks like your onboarding emails are arriving already.
My inbox is filling up fast.
First day tradition.
I'll tackle them one by one.
That's the spirit.
By the way, how long have you been here?
Almost 4 years now.
Wow, you must know everything then.
Not everything, but I know who to ask.
That's even better.
Exactly.
Do teams usually have lunch together here?
Quite often, yes. It's a good way to connect.
I'd love to join sometime.
You're welcome today if you're free.
That sounds great, thanks.
We usually head out around 12:30.
Perfect, I'll be there.
So, Jane, what do you enjoy doing outside work?
I like hiking and photography.
Nice combination.
Yeah, I love capturing landscapes.
We actually have a company hiking group.
Really? That sounds amazing.
I'll add you to the chat later.
I'd appreciate that.
Oh, here comes your manager.
Timing is perfect.
Ready for more introductions?
As ready as I'll ever be.
You'll do great.
Thanks for making my first morning easier.
Anytime. We've all been there.
That's comforting to hear.
Welcome again, Jane.
Thank you, Peter. I'm really glad to be here.
Great job practicing with us today. If you repeated the sentences out loud, you've already taken a powerful step towards speaking English more naturally at work. Remember, fluency doesn't come from memorizing grammar. It comes from speaking regularly, even in small moments like introductions and casual conversations. If this episode helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who wants to improve their English speaking confidence. Your support helps us create more shadowing practice episodes just like this one. Thanks for listening, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.